All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to look at all the stuff that you've taken pictures of or videos of. So it doesn't matter where you're at. You could be in the video, you could be in time lapse, you could be over here in photos. It's all the same. What you're going to do is you take your finger on the bottom of the touch screen, slide it up, bam, there it is. Now, if you want to look at all of them, in the very corner, there's a little grid thing. Click that, bam, it gives you all the photos that you've got and videos that you've taken right there. For the whole day, whatever you've done, it's all there. That's all your media. You want to get back, go this way. Now, if you want to go sideways with them, you can do this. Just like that. And let's say you want to get rid of one. Bam. Delete. Done. And that's how you view your media on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So remember, to bring it up, you go from the bottom. To get rid of it, you go from the top. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.